Hey guys, today I'm doing a showcasing of the evil unicorn. Okay, so in the showcasing, I'm gonna show you guys what the evil unicorn is like. So first of all, they are hard to age up. They are legendary, but they are pretty much the exact same looking as a unicorn. They have the exact same shape, just a different color. So if you pick it up, it has glowing red eyes, which I really like that, and they blink, like they literally made their pets blink. Same color on the insides of the ears. It's got a nice juicy red horn. This is gonna be like my favorite Christmas looking one because it has a lot of red in it. It has a big red mane, a big red tail, and it's like a blackish gray. Very dark gray. We called ours Keeper of Evil. It's like super cute. Like, wait, does it have any special tricks? Okay, yeah, let's go check out the tricks because we obviously gotta see like what this unicorn does, because apparently every pet has a different little dance. So apparently there's like special emotes for the pets depending on what pet it is. So let's go off to the school, the little tiny school. But so you should probably also still like focus on getting all your pets to school and like actually like hearing, like actually getting them taught. Actually, like, people teach them. Oh, we gotta get one of those. We gotta get one of those. We gotta get for sale. We gotta get a for sale. So yeah, guys, someone just said I'm poor help. She just says work. Well, that's kind of rude. Let me see if you have Aunt a cat. What? I'll be you moon. What? Oh, no. Okay. Let's train our evil unicorn. Good day, mate. Good day, mate. Good I might. Guess what, guys? Have you noticed that if you try to say good I might, look at this. Good I might. It sounds like you're saying good day, mate. It sounds like you're literally saying good day, mate. Dude. Okay. What did my unicorn learn? Let's see its emotes. Wait, over here? Let's do some tricks. Sit. What? Oh, the sit looks normal. All we learned was how to sit, man. We gotta train our unicorn more. Good day, mate. Want me to train your animal? Okay, you know what? We're not. Come back again when it ain't so little. Are you serious, sir? Sir, I will take you to the pet trainer trainer determination room, and they will exterminate you out of the building. You won't die, but you won't be a pet teacher anymore. Okay? It says come back again when it ain't so little. That is not very nice of you, sir. Excuse me. So wait, let's try this pet because it's a post-teen. Good day, mate. Want me to train your animal? Okay, yeah, I want my pet to learn new tricks. Dude. Duh. That's why I'm here. Okay. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to see what he can do after this. That looks so epic. Guys, I love that so much. He's, aww. This is actually like so cool. I love that. Oh my god! Good Shadow Dragon. Jump. Oh my god. That looks awesome. Dive. He can dive? Wow. Okay, that's so cool. Okay, let's see. What? What do you mean? It's literally a post-teen. What? That is not okay. He can apparently dive, which that looks super cool. Joy. Let's take a joy ride, literally, like a joy ride. That would be so cool. Okay. That's weird. I'm gonna ride her, or him, sorry. Let's do some emotes when we are here. Jump. Whoa, that is adorable. That is actually like the coolest thing ever. Let's go outside and let's do the dive emote because that is like the coolest thing ever. Look at this, guys. Tricks. Isn't it dive, I think? Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. Let's try the jump. That is really cool. You can do like your pet learning how to fly or something. Like that's what it looks like. Okay, let's fly him now. Let's try to, I guess, then age up the evil unicorn, I guess. We need to go back to the haunted house because it's only part way, to finish with the haunted house. But so, guys, also today I'm gonna try to make a neon bear and, get a couple of jungle eggs while I'm at it. Pet trainer Shane. Train my pet. How is it too young? Like literally. But it's just too young to learn anymore? What? That doesn't make sense. Do you mean like it's too old to learn? Because that would be underrated. That would be discrimination to the people of the town. I'm just gonna collect the ghosts because, like, why the heck not? But so actually, guys, you know what? Let's go. I mean, I really want to see what the unicorns emotes are, but I can't, I guess. So actually, guys, I want a neon. I want to make a neon pet of some kind. Why don't we make a neon buffalo? Because, like, yeah, why not? I have almost every pet, but I think I have, like, a whole bunch I need to get left. Because actually, guys, let me show you guys how many more I need. Because I think I got a lot from, like, my friends and stuff. So, I mean, I don't know. Okay, let me think. Okay, look, guys. So, first of all, I need the blue dog and the pink cat. Now, I don't think that those are even available anymore. There's the bunny, the hyena. Now, I actually never got... I got that one, but I traded it away for something.
Where's the phone?
Here. I got the I don't have the crocodile. Where did my platypus... where did my platypus go? I'm confused. I haven't gotten a lion yet. That's why I want to try to get like jungle eggs and stuff, so that way I can, like, when they're unavailable, I can get like safari eggs, because I really want all the pets. I need the gold penguin, the parrot, the bat dragon, and the giraffe, because I have basically all the other pets. But actually, guys, first of all, I did not find this one. These two are my brothers, but we share them. My friend gave me this, but I made it flyable. And yeah, she basically gave me all these. That one, these Shiba Inus. I might have gotten one of these Shiba Inus. Okay, this is the Shiba Inu I originally got. Then I got, I bought this whole thing myself. Then there's this, I really like the buff guy. And for giveaway, that's for the giveaway, guys. I'm not announcing the winners because nobody commented on the giveaway video. Then I have the beaver. I don't even remember how I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those, and then I don't know where I got this, actually. Like, I'm super confused. I got Bun, Rabbit, Rhino. Shh, turn that down. Okay, but so yeah, then I got 3 rhinos. I don't even remember how I did that. I got what is it? A snow puma, another snow puma, another snow puma, another snow puma. Then I got Nova, Knight, Peter Panther, Night Terror, and Snugbig. This is actually my real life cat's name, and it looks almost exactly like him. If it had green eyes, it would look exactly like him. So maybe adopt me. You should think of adding actual color to the pet's eyes. That would be really cool. And then I have a capybara that I call Cappy, but I don't really like capybaras. They're kind of ugly. Well, in the game. Then here's Leah the chocolate Labrador I got. Then a couple days ago I got Amy, and she's already at like the bottom of my pet list. Then there's Mira, sorry. And it's a meerkat, and this is Ashy. I never named this one. I named this one Purple Puma from Steven Universe. This Snowy Puma, which this is a snowcat, Snowy. Then I have Rose, my wild neon boar, my neon wild boar. And then I got the Buffalo Bill. That's my favorite buffalo name. That one. A cat, Ellie, Alexis, Bella, which she's neon, Toonie, that's my actual cat's name in real life, Cat, that because I never named that cat, Pinky, Sugar. I should probably change this one's name because I don't like the name Pinky. Mia, Dogmaster, all those. Then we got Nemo, Doggy Boy, Heaven, Bandit, and Victoria. Anyways, I think I'm going to have to end it right there because my recording is almost over. But anyways, guys, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Goodbye. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell to join the Kitty Clan. Yeah, you know. Just, you know, do it. Hit the notification button to become a part of it. Anyways, yeah. Bye, guys.